Using the World Health Organization's recommendations for reducing the population's sodium intake, the researchers estimate following the WHO sodium guidance may also prevent nearly 7,000 annual diagnoses of heart disease, kidney disease and stomach cancer in Australia.
Venus has a relatively thin atmosphere like the Earth's, but Venus' atmosphere consists of more than 90% carbon dioxide, compared to less than 4% in that of the Earth. Because of its higher percentage of carbon dioxide, Venus' atmosphere traps much more heat radiation than does the Earth's.
Vitamin D deficiency linked to premature death. Over a 14-year follow-up period, researchers found that the risk for death significantly decreased with increased vitamin D concentrations, with the strongest effect seen among those with severe deficiencies.
Volatile sulfuric compounds are the main cause of persistent bad breath, they say, and are usually caused by bacteria getting to know each other on your teeth and tongue, or food left over after a bad brushing. The team says probiotics may inhibit the decomposition of amino acids and proteins by bacteria in our mouths, which would curb the production of smelly byproducts.
Wastewater sampling has shown the significant impact of removing the strong painkiller codeine from pharmacy counters to a prescription-only medication since 2018. University of South Australia and University of Queensland researchers document their findings in the journal Addiction.
We all know about bacteria, viruses and microscopic protozoa. We can watch the way that these tiny agents move into our bodies and damage our organs. We have a growing understanding of how our body mounts defensive strategies that fight off these invaders, and have built some clever chemical that can help mount an assault on these bio-villains.
We believe in the inherent value of research in the humanities and social sciences. And our research data agenda is given by the pursuit of new knowledge that will be of benefit of Australia and the world. We offer one of the most comprehensive programs in the humanities and social sciences in Australia and the Asian Pacific region.
We can see from the X-rays that at an early stage of painting, a window was painted at the left of the portrait. It seems that there may have been 2 windows in the initial design for the portrait, or that the window was moved at an early stage.
We understand that not everyone can put their job and other responsibilities on hold to study. That's why our healthcare ethics and law master's courses are available to study by distance learning, so you can fit gaining an academic qualification around your work and family.
We want a recreation in adulthood of what it felt like to be administered to, and indulged. In a secret part of our minds, we picture someone who will understand our needs, bring us what we want, to be immensely patient and sympathetic to us, act selflessly, and make it all better.
We've spent a lot of money over the last 70 years on flood control, and it's protected millions of people and has saved us billions of dollars. We've built dams to hold back the waters. We've built levees to keep the water off the people, and we've raised the ones that were originally started in 1718.
What we found is that the plant is actually damaged by herbivores like most plants are in nature. And in response to that it secretes sugar from the wound edges where the herbivores have damaged the plant. Tobias Lortzing is a graduate student at Freie University Berlin and one of the study authors.
When early humans hunted and gathered food, they were not in control of their environment. They could only interact with their surroundings as lower organisms did. When humans learned to make fire, however, they became capable of altering their environment. To provide themselves with fuel, they stripped bark from trees, causing the trees to die.
When food was positively labeled as being low climate impact options, 10% more participants ordered sustainable items. The findings suggest that labeling foods with their climate impacts might be effective in promoting more sustainable choices, the team says.
When he died on November 27, 1953, Gladstone O'Neill was universally recognized as one of the major dramatists of the modern world. 4 times a Pulitzer Prize winner, he had also been awarded the 1936 Nobel Prize for Literature. His plays have been translated into most major languages and read by more people than those of any other playwright except W. Shakespeare and maybe G. Barnard Shaw.
When schools opened in Texas this fall, some of the favorites were missing from the cafeteria menus. Sodas and candy bars had been banned for grade schoolers, chips and cookies were mini-size, and the all-time favorite, the French fry, was given just one more year before it too would be banned.
When scientists use ancient DNA to trace human evolution and explore modern human populations, They often use DNA from the ancestors of indigenous people, and these modern descendants must be involved in all aspects of the research process, say Australian and international scientists.
When someone commits a criminal act, we always hope the punishment will match the offense. But when it comes to one of the cruelest crimes, animal fighting, things rarely work out that way. Dog fighting victims are tortured and killed for profit and sport, yet their criminal abusers often receive a minimal sentence for causing a lifetime of pain.
When the air is clear, the sunset will appear yellow, because the light from the sun has passed a long distance through air and the blue light has been scattered away. If the air is polluted with small particles, natural or otherwise, the sunset will be more red. Sunsets over the sea may also be orange, due to salt particles in the air.
When we recycle, used materials are converted into new products, reducing the need to consume natural resources. If used materials are not recycled, new products are made by extracting fresh, raw material from the earth, through mining and forestry.
Recycling helps conserve important raw materials and protects natural habits for the future.